Igama lami inkosi uLungane uZwelakhe uDlamini aphinde futhi abe ngupresident wamakhosi eMzantsi Afrika ngaphansi kwenhlangano ebizwa kuthiwa yindlu yamakhosi Royal House. Ngiphinde futhi ngibe a former soldier yomkhonto wesizwe whom I fought for the liberation in this country. Raise inkinga esibhekana nazo kuhulumeni. Okokuqala imihlaba le tourism abakhuluma ngayo isemhlabeni yethu amakhosi, kodwa amakhosi they are not benefiting anything from lama tourism la lemihlaba la kwenziwa khona lezinto. Baletha abantu from Britain, from America, from USA. All these people are capitalists, are people who are looting our country. Kuluthwa ama-resource wethu yonke into bayitholela eSouth Africa. But today, ukuthi thina sikwazi kuyi-accessa singabanikazi bayo, kumele ukuthi sikhokhele wona lama capital wona laba bokufika. Kodwa abantu base-South Africa bayasihlupheka. Sengibonile lo government wethu esinayo eSouth Africa is protecting abelungu nge-expense yabantu base-South Africa. Let South Africa belong to South Africans. Lento abayenzayo ukuthi balanda abantu ngaphandle kwamanye amazwe bazositshela ngomnotho lo ngabenefit abantu base-South Africa. Yile esingavumelani nayo. Asivumelani nje nayo neze. Labantu ababalethela eTurban ICC manje they are here to loot the state resources of South Africa. That is the problem esizoyilwela into enza ukuthi sibe la siphikethe namhlanje. Bathumela amaphoyisa nje obuwabona evalile nje isizathu sokuthi lamadoda asivimbe ukuthi singa-expose ugovernment wase-South Africa ukuthi lento ayenzayo eMzantsi Afrika abantu bakhona baseMzantsi abavumelani nayo. Laba futhi njoba ubabona besebenza nje kanje besivimba ukuthi singangeni. They are protecting the white monopoly capital. Ama subject we white capital monopoly laba.